Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get ripped jeans on a dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, if you want to get ripped jeans, we need to go to the jeans area here. You can go to this area and then you're going to pick one of the jeans here. You can choose this one and then you can change the toggle. You can click on the toggle menu. Okay, and then you're going to select rips. Wait, I'm going to turn off the flower and then I'm going to change the rips to torn or star. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys. This is how it looks. This is for the star, and I'm going to show you the other one. This is for the torn. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get ripped jeans on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.